Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect Gemini with Spotify, step by step. Integrating these two powerful platforms allows you to effortlessly control your music using just your voice. Imagine asking Gemini to play your favorite playlist or discover new artists without lifting a finger. This connection brings your music experience to a whole new level, making it more convenient and enjoyable than ever before. Let's get started on setting up this fantastic integration. First, open the Gemini application on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app is open, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or 3 horizontal lines, and tap on it. Within the settings menu, you will need to find the section dedicated to integrations or connected applications. This area might be labeled Extensions, Connected Apps, or Services. This is where you will manage all third-party connections. Now, from the list of available extensions or services, find and select Spotify. You will then be prompted to log into your Spotify account. Enter your username and password carefully to ensure a successful connection. After logging in, Spotify will ask you to grant Gemini certain permissions, such as accessing your playlists and controlling playback. Review these permissions and confirm to proceed. This step is crucial for the integration to function correctly. Once you have granted the permissions, return to the Gemini app to confirm that the connection was successful. You should see Spotify listed as a connected service. Now, you are ready to enjoy your integrated music experience. Simply say, "Hey Gemini, play my workout playlist on Spotify," or "Hey Gemini, skip this song." You can control playback, adjust volume, and even discover new music, all hands-free. Enjoy your personalized audio journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.